Hi, everybody. My name is Colleen Tapia. I'm a freelance resume writer, and I'm coming to you today on behalf of Princess Dental Staffing with some tips and tricks for your dental that'll hopefully help you in your dental career. Okay, so today I want to get to today's topic, and today's topic is listening skills and why it's good and important for a dental assistant to have good listening skills. Well, it's very important because you deal with customers all day and you deal with your coworkers, dentists, and everybody all day. And it's important that you listen so that you can respond and take action when you need to. And I do want to make a distinction between listening to respond and listening to understand. And there is a very big difference. There's a very important distinction. And it's important because most people can tell the difference between if you're listening in order to, if you're just waiting for your turn to talk, or if you're listening because you really want to understand what the person is trying to convey to you. Okay, and there is a very big difference. So we want to make sure that when we're listening to somebody, we're listening and trying to understand instead of waiting for our turn to speak, because people can tell the difference. So a couple of tricks to ensure that the person that you're speaking with knows that you are listening to them and trying to understand what it is that they're trying to tell you. So one way to engage some active listening skills is to validate the other person's feelings. And the way that you do this is to repeat the situation back to the person and say, wow, that must be. Okay, so for example, oh, wow, Mr. Smith, you've had a toothache for a week and you couldn't get off of work until just now to get it looked at? Wow, that must be frustrating. So when you validate the other person's feelings, it lets them understand that you empathize with them and that you're listening to what it is they're trying to tell you. Another tip for you is what I'm hearing is, okay? So if you've worked in customer service for any length of time, you know everybody has a different communication style. And sometimes those styles don't exactly jive. Sometimes there's a disconnect there. So one of the ways that you can still let the person know that you are listening and trying to understand what it is they're trying to tell you is by saying, what I'm hearing is. Okay, so Miss Adams, what I'm hearing is that maybe you have a little bit of a phobia surrounding needles. Okay, so that gives the other person the opportunity to say, no, that's not what I'm saying, or yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. And even if you don't get it on the first try, at least they know that you're trying to meet them where they are. Okay, so that's basically it. That's basically why it's important for a dental assistant to have good listening skills. And those are just a couple of tricks to let the person know that you really are listening to them and trying to understand them and trying to resolve whatever issue that they come to you with. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys, and tune in for the next video. Okay, see you soon.